Hello. A lot of people use Google search engine to search for images for their various graphic designing projects. But not many of them are aware of the hidden tools that Google provides to search for high quality images, images in different sizes and different colors, and even images that are royalty free. My name is Asif Khwaja, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Google search engine tools to find the images that you will love. So let's dive in.
Okay, let's get it started. So here we are in our Google search engine. Now, if I search for anything, let's say flowers, because I'm interested in flower images, so I'll go and search in the images category. And here you see we have searched for flowers, and Google provides us various images for the flowers, and that includes roses and many other different types of flowers and in different colors. Now, one of the first things that you will notice on this screen is that on top of these flower images, it actually gives you some category filters. So you can select on roses and it will show you only the roses. Or you can click on, white and it will show you all white roses. So that's really good and it really helps narrow down what images we are looking for. But there are still some tools that are very useful but hidden from this particular view. So let's go back to the initial screen where we search for all the flowers. And here you will notice that on top of these filters, there are various categories. So you can search in images or maps or shopping. Right to the end of that, you see these tools here. So if I click on there, you will see that it opens up some hidden tools that were not clearly visible when we went in and searched for the flowers. Now, these tools here allow you to define various different properties for the flower images that you are interested in. For example, because I'm doing my graphic designing project and I need very high quality images, so I can go in and search for only large images, not icons, not small or medium images, but I'm interested in large images. So I'll go and select large. Now you will ask, how do you know that these are large images? So you can clearly see when I hover my mouse pointer on top of these images, it shows me the resolution. So this image is of like 1000 by 1000 pixels. Well, not really large, but it's still anything that is higher than 1000 pixels is considered large by Google Images. This image, for example, is 1326 by 829. This one is really, really high quality image, 3000 by 4000 pixels. So you get the idea. Now, you will notice that there is also another filter here for colors. Now, if I am only interested in particular type or color of flowers, I can go and search for, let's say, only blue flowers. And this brings in all the flower images that are in blue color. You will still see some of the pictures that have other colors in them as well, but because they also have blue colors somewhere in those images, it will automatically bring those images as well. Now, if I'm only interested in roses and not any other blue flowers, then I can go and click on rose filter here. And this should bring all the blue roses. I love blue roses. Next filter that you see here is a type filter. This is also really interesting because it gives you, the ability to be able to select, what type of art you would like for your graphic designing project. Sometimes I'm interested only in line drawings. So if I click on line drawings, it will show me roses that are blue, but they are line drawings and not actual photographs. And I can always go back and change it back to any type, which will bring all other images. Now, one more thing which is very important and a lot of people do not realize this particular fact is that when you use these images provided by Google search engine for your various graphic designing projects, and especially if they are commercial projects, you cannot use these images for your project because some of these could be commercial images and you may not have the right to use those images in your projects. So Google provides us this filter here called usage rights. So if I open up this, you will see that the default setting is selected as not filtered by license. So it actually shows us any image that is a licensed image or a royalty-free image. But here you see it provides us other options as well, including label for reuse with modification or label for reuse. If I select labeled for reuse, which means show me only the images that I can reuse in my projects, in my graphic designing projects, then I can click here and it will bring in all those blue roses that are selected and high quality images, not small or medium images, which are royalty free and I can reuse them in any of my projects. If you want to clear all your filters that you have set, you can click on this clear option towards the end of those filters, and that will remove all the filters that you had given, and it will bring in the default search results for the flowers. So I hope that this will help you in selecting the best images for your projects, and hope you will like it. Thank you.